Hey YouTube, doing another update on the ST. Since last time I debadged the focus emblem, and I added the EcoBoost emblem. It's from Lincoln MKT. Sorry, it's a little windy. The car is a little dirty. I apologize for that. And the wind. Had the car and we got 100 miles on it. I got the Cobb shift knob now. Easy installation. Unscrew the old one, screw this one on. I think that's pretty much all I've done since the last time I made a video. Just been driving it. Hope you guys like the revs. I don't know if you heard it blow off or anything like that. I have just a Cobb drop-in filter. Well, that's it for now. The HIDs, just in the fog lights. I just did the fog lights. There are DDM tuning 8000K HIDs.